At Solid Structures, we have two options for our columns. We have our columns that we use Timber Technologies. They're Titan timbers that have 6 feet of treated in the bottom of the pole to where they can go in the ground and get poured around. That is what Dustin here at Whitey's chose to do. And then we also have an option that you'll see at a later video to where we can put a bracket in the ground and then we set the Titan timber on top of it. As we're talking about the columns to choose, there is different ways and different methods that everybody likes to build with. There's the old style of the solid sawn posts that they cut down and they incise them and then they treat them. We all used to build with those back in the 90s, and then times changed to where you could build your own nail lamps, which we did do. We would take 2x6s that were treated at the bottom, we would nail them together, and then we built that way. And then from there, we decided to go to a Titan timber. And the main reason why is because they are made in a factory. They're made in a controlled environment. And as you can tell here, that you can see that this column is AITC certified as a standard glulam. Now they are industrial columns. They have treated at the bottom of it, but they are made with structural finger joints, something that we could never do in our own factory with a nail lamp, putting it together. One of the critical things is the gluing process. Getting this treated and the glue to stick together to where all these could be bonded together. As you see is when we zoom in on these columns, there is no nails holding these together. And this treatment, as you can see through here, is perfectly flat. It is an absolutely beautiful straight column that is never going to twist. You ask, why isn't it going to twist? Because we have 4 pieces of lumber here that for this column to twist, it would all 4 pieces of this lumber would have to decide to twist the same direction at the same time, and it won't do that. What I want to bring attention to now is the finger joint. Our finger joint is a certified structural finger joint that gets tested in the factory to make sure that it has the right amount of strength to where it doesn't break. Other companies out there that are relying on the nails to hold it together, they have what they call a scarf joint. It's similar to what you're going to see in cabinets. It is better than just a butt joint, but it is not anything like what we do here. It is not comparable at all.